Hello and welcome to another episode of Indiandotnet. And here we are going to discuss about ChatGPT. ChatGPT, if you have not heard it, I must say you just Google it, and after this session, obviously you will understand what is the ChatGPT and how to utilize it. But believe me, like people are people's mind are blown out with this feature. It's like an open AI product, and it's giving a lot of things, and you not like think about that. And to be honest, it is like one of the finest product which saw till now. And people are saying it might like it might in the near future it might is the robust product, and like a lot of people will lose their job just because of this product. But believe me, till the time like we are in this station, and it is not going to harm your job. So just utilize it to make your job better. So before jumping into further, let's understand what is ChatGPT, how to use it, is there any price criteria, and obviously we'll end up this with a demo. So without further delay, let's start with what is ChatGPT. So for this, let's do one thing: go and search for ChatGPT, and you will find the OpenAI. So OpenAI, again, the creator of this, and they created other product as well, like Dell E2 Whisper, and the ChatGPT is one of them. So just click on the ChatGPT, and if you're not logged in, you have not created and sign up for it, just click on try ChatGPT and do sign up. It's a free account, so you can create it. There is no harm in it. So I already created it, so that's why I'm getting this. So basically, what is ChatGPT? So ChatGPT is like a language model. This is the AI model which is provided by OpenAI. Okay, so whatever you are typing in your text format, it will give you the results. And you don't believe, it created a history, in a 5 day, within a 5 day it created like 1 million, more than 1 million of users. While if you see the legacy company not created those users still in 5 days. So this is like an extraordinary product. Okay, so basically, the main concept behind ChatGPT is it will provide uh, you solution in the human language, like human, if I am telling you something similar way, it will text you all the detail, and it is not about like it's not about the like a googling thing, but see, when you see something on the Google, you search and you will get a lot of experience, a lot of uh, different things on the Google search, but it will give you like specific thing in few words. So without wasting further time, let's do a demo, because demo is more important than anything. So one thing, like, it is, if you are like a student, or you are a professional, or you are developer or coder, SQL developer, C sharp developer, Python developer, it will help you always. And there are different way of communicating it, and people are making different business using the open API. So this open GPL API as well. So we'll discuss those things as well. So let's say, for example, I'm a student, and I want to know about, for example, mm, Swami Vivekananda. Okay. I will type like an introduction to Swami Vivekananda in 300 lines. Okay, so it will provide you like about the Swami Vivekananda. That will give you that description will be provided in uh, in about 300 lines. Okay, so this is the one of the thing. Now you can like further uh, the other thing is like if you want like you can resubmit your questions and you can regenerate the result and everything. So by mistake I wrote 300 lines instead of 300 character. So let it be. I will stop it generating further and I will edit it and say not 300 lines but instead of 300 words. Okay, save and submit. So now it will generate again the result in 300 words. So this is one of the good thing, like you can generate and resubmit those things. And so this is for the normal user, like if you're a student, you want to write uh, an essay or someone like Nelson Mandela, Mahatma Gandhi, or someone else, you can, and you're not aware of that, you can give it to ask on this chat GPT and it will provide you result. Apart from this, like if suppose you want a product review, so you can write a product review or something like that in ask chat GPT to generate, like for example, if I say product, um, right, product review, for example, Logitech mouse positive in in 100 words. So it will write, okay. So see how it is, like how cool it is. Like you just say your question and it will generate everything for you. So this is the one of the thing like people can use, like they can create their resume, they can ask any write an essay, or they can create this review thing and then they can post on any other website to generate the revenue. So okay, so there are different website available. So this is like one of the tip, like you can create there are homework sites where people ask like to write something more, an essay on this topic and that topic. You can just pick that questions, well, test over here, and you generate that particular essay and you're good to go. Okay, now let's jump into another thing. Like suppose you're a developer, like SQL developer, and you want to know a query. For example, um, write SQL query to get max salary from employee table. Okay, so it will write a SQL query. Wow, that's a blown out your mind. But and apart from this, if you see here, it is not only giving you the results. This query will get select the maximum salary from the employee table. The max function is used to find the highest value. So it is giving you the explanation why this query will run, because we use max salary, max function. So this is again a good thing. Apart from this, like if suppose uh, for this particular YouTube video, if I want to ask like generate YouTube, sorry, YouTube topic for what is chat, generated YouTube, not topic, sorry about that, keywords, that's what I want. So it, so see what are the different keywords it's providing, like which we can use uh, in our YouTube video. Isn't it good? Obviously, it is. And now suppose you are a C#.NET code developer and you want to write, you want to understand. Firstly, let's ask GPT. tell five best books to learn C sharp. Let's see what is the result of it. Oh, that's cool. So C sharp yellow book, pro C sharp. Okay. So you understand like what we are asking, it is giving us the results. So for example, uh, interview questions on Azure, Azure architecture. So see, it is giving us like Azure architecture questions. So and now if you want like this is one of the good thing also like if you want for example give answer of first question listed above. Okay, so once it is done it is giving you n numbers of question, and once this is generated we will ask him okay it's good like you gave us those many questions, but we want the answer of first question. Okay, so it is going to give you the first question answer, what is Azure and how does it differ from other cloud platforms. So see, I hope now you have a lot of question to ask to ChatGPT, and believe me, it would be. And when you are going to use it, it will blown your mind. And I am very thrilled after using it. Now, the next thing, like you might be thinking, what else it can do. So for example you can do question answer, you can do grammar correction, you write something and you want to like correct it, so those things you can do. One example, sorry I forgot, let me do one more thing. Where is okay, for example if I ask hmm, write hello world C sharp code, let's see what it do. So it is write your C sharp code. Okay. What you need to do, you just need to copy it and paste in your Visual Studio code, and you are good to go. Isn't it beautiful? And uh, along with that, it is explaining what this code is all about. Okay. So what is the keyword? Include system name, space, a class name, hello world. So uh, believe me, I really like this thing. So the other thing like which I mentioned in my discussion, like you can use n number of things, and you can see there are n number of things here like case ready note, interview question, restaurant review, okay, recipe creator, fitness idea, third person converter. So you will like it JavaScript, Python, like it can do like the code converter as well, SQL request. So you can like write a SQL code as well. For example, let's copy this uh, and then paste in our example here. So I already shown you, but let again try it. So see, so the main thing which you need to understand, what you have to write, you need to write in a specific manner. Like here we mentioned like create a SQL request to find all user who lives in California and have over 100,000 credits. So it wrote the query accordingly. And the other thing is like suppose we want to like uh, so it might be possible. Okay, so see, instead of now star, it is using column names. So obviously, select would when you use a star, it is like uh, again like the heavy query, but if you use the column name, it will obviously give you best performance. So I hope you like this video, and do like, subscribe Indiandotnet channel. We will come up with 7 more this kind of tool which is created and might be useful for you in your day-to-day life. Till then, I would really appreciate your love and response on this channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.